Right then, episode 10. So as you can see, the bed is in now. Unfortunately, I lost all of the footage from making the bed. So you're just going to have to roll with me on this one, I'm afraid. You'll see it better as I carry on anyway, you'll see. It's just a simple single bed with 2 lift-up lids for storage. And I might also cut in 2 access doors on the front. I don't know, I'll see how that one goes. Anyway, time to see what my scribing skills are like, I think. So I'll put this tea down and I'll crack on. Right. Just see how this lid's going on. So, white TV aerial comes in, little bit of slack on there, little bit of slack on it, and it just pokes through there. This is the mobile internet aerials. They're going to live on top. They're going to live on top here. So they can just be easily plugged into the Netgear air card. TV aerial pops through there and just fits into the TV like that. So that's that. And this is going to go up now. That's a USB extension socket. That's going to live just on the front face. On the front face here, so I can easily get my hand over there and plug the air card in. So we've got a SIG lighter, where are we? There. We've got a SIG lighter, USB port, and the switch. All in there. A bit of slack on the cable, what comes up, the main feed in. Where are we? There. I'll just tidy that up. So yeah, that's going to go up now. Like that. Right, I'll try not to damage everything. Right, that goes in there. And that's going to go in the top, like that. So that's what we end up with.
Grassroots element where things have to be supported as well, isn't there? Do you see that?
Yeah, definitely. I think about the role that men play. We have a whole Call Him Out campaign that our men's team started to counter, sexist or misogynistic comments within themselves or within the stadium. Even myself, I've had to call out my own sexism because I remember
Actually, is what it was, some of it that she was on the receiving end of, and those remarks. What we do now, right here on this planet, can determine, our future. Is that
Right, I've more or less got the fridge
or can human
sussed out.
reverse that, change it, stabilise it?
Gesturing.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm just trying to suss out the
there's still a lot of
the little bit to the left.
whether that is the case. To me, it makes a lot of sense. And if that continues to be the case, then
The fridge is more or less sorted.
find that things slow down even more. And you get
That's going to work.
for longer periods, good or bad, of course, because
So now I'm just looking at the
weather and
little cabinet to the left there.
since then it's been
I want to have a switch for the lights
warm and dry during
as you open the door,
southern parts of Europe and the Mediterranean were very wet. We're getting stories of flooding
and probably
in northern parts of Italy. And
some USB chargers at that point. I think that's probably the best place to do it. So yeah, pondering again.
It affects farmers,
Every stage is a
looking forward and looking at the cycle of weather
big
as you
looking
do
at
in your day-to-day
session.
job, are we going to have to get used to these greater swings in
Well, let's see what I come up with.
It's still an area of research.
Right, time to look at this fridge. Let's have a look.
I think trying your best to keep a sort of routine. I mean, obviously you can be flexible with it, but I think children thrive from routine, you know, and children need sleep, and so we're always quite aware. So I think as best you can keep into some sort of routine. And I think again, my children are quite at that teenage stage where it sort of all of a sudden goes from waking up at 8 till midday. So yeah, they'll go down, watch telly, get some rest.
Right, test run.
This summer, you can breathe a little easier because Mazda is making it more affordable than ever for you to make the switch to an electric car. The all-new Mazda MX-30 or visit your local dealer. Mazda, crafted in Japan. Mazda Financial participating dealers only. Registered on the 31st of March. Conditions apply.
It's knee slides, shirts flown, badges kit.
Right, raining. Pissed off. It's not stopped raining for days. So I'm in the van, locked up because the doors are closed. And I've just thought I'm gonna get the telly on. Hook it up to the internet now. And treat myself. Get some bloody entertainment going because I'm sick of being in there. Right. Let's go get this on. Get YouTube on. And make it a bit more pleasant. Yeah, it's raining. I'm locked up in here. Radio's died on me. So I just thought, right, let's get the TV on. The internet's working now. I've got a SIM card for the Netgear thing. So let's use it. Let's get it on. Let's go for it. You with me? You watching? Alright, it should be simple enough because I put all the legwork in the other day. So it should be plug and play. Fire stick in the back. TV aerial. Bang that in. DC power. Bang that in. Hooker's on. Hooker duck. Oh, nice, look at that. Bang, bang, bang. Plugs are all in. Just need to do a temporary wire hook up. Flip the switch, get us on. Bang. Here, look. Netgear's on. That lives up there. 4G banging signal. Aerials are in. Fire stick connected to it. Little Wi-Fi system going on now. Yes, here we go. Oh, let's get Brian on.
Alright, ready to roll?
Yes.
Driving home this evening, could've sworn we had it on tap.
Right, I'm trying to get this fridge sorted out this fridge area. I've got the bits painted. I've got it all now. So I'm just trying to think about it before I bang it in. That's all working good. That's going to work fine. And then there's going to be a little cabinet thing here. I don't know what to do with yet, but on top of the cabinet there's going to be like a dimmer switch for the light here. So when you open the door, you can put your light on, and maybe a couple of USB charging points here as well. Cigarette lighter for in case you need to plug a pump in or something like that, or I don't know, something near the door. Cigarette lighter, probably a couple of USB things, one for the laptop. Little charging station here. So there's that to think about. And the wires will go down. That's going to be there. So the wires are going to go down the back of here, and they need to get into there, don't they? So I'm just thinking about that. Before I screw everything back together, I need a bit of thinking about these wires going down there. Right, so now, let's just watch Brian finish up on the new telly. Oh, nice.
Spraying out on Instagram.
This was a bit of a thing to get my head around. Power comes into the middle of the switch, and then it comes out of the switch into a 5-way block, and then all the positives go into the block. So the positives are all linked. So that's that, and then the negatives are coming into a block, and then the final one comes out to the supply cable down here. So negative, 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 and then the final one, fifth one, comes out, and that's going back to base. Yeah.
I mean, I literally went